In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install the like button on your Google site. Let's get started. As you can see, I have already installed the like button here. So let's take a look at the preview. So once I click this like button, the counter number will be changed like this. So let's go back to the admin page and I will walk you through step by step how to set up this like button. So we are going to use this site named like button. So this is the URL, likebutton.com. So there are 41 themes available. However, some themes is only available for paid plan. And it supports 44 languages. So the default language is English. However, you can change it later. And once you upgrade to paid plan, you can access to this advanced analytics. And let's scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, like button code generator. And you can choose any theme you want here from here. So in this case, I'm going to use this default one. And you can also change the languages. So if you want to change this, the button text, you can simply type in whatever text you want into this like button text. You can also add some animation on this button, so you can select any animation you want. So this VIP and Ultra tag means it's only available for the paid plan. And as you can see, it comes with a dislike button like this. So if you want to hide dislike button, so just scroll down and click on this button element. You can easily turn it off by simply clicking on this show dislike label. So by its default, it's set as no. However, there you can this is one. So show dislike button. So by default it's set to yes, but you can simply turn it off by simply clicking on this no. So it's gone. This counter number is random. If you want to customize the number of clicks here, you have to upgrade it. So you can start from 0 once you upgrade to the paid plan. However, if you are using the free plan, this number appears randomly. So you can customize the numbers you want. So once you're happy with these settings, so just simply navigate to this HTML code and click on this copy. And let's head over to Google Sites and select embed code. And the paste the HTML code you just copied and click on next and boom. So let's take a look at the preview. Yeah, it works perfect. This is how you install the like button on your Google Sites. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.